Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark favorite web pages on Safari. So let's jump right in. First, open the Safari app. Go to the web page you want to bookmark. Once you are on the desired web page, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the share icon. This icon looks like a square with the arrow pointing up. In the share menu, scroll down and tap on the Add Bookmark option. You can now edit bookmark's name and choose where you want to save it. You can select favorites for quick access or choose a specific folder to organize your bookmarks. Finally, tap the Save option at the top right corner of your screen to add the bookmark. Your web page is now bookmarked and easily accessible from your chosen location. And this is how you can bookmark favorite web pages on Safari. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.